Are you trying to figure out whether HostGator or DreamHost has more user-friendly tools? In this video, we'll dive into both hosting platforms and break down their strengths and weaknesses to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of which platform offers the easiest tools to use, but stick around until the end because I've got a recommendation that might just blow these two out of the water. Let's kick things off with the most important factor: ease of use. Both HostGator and DreamHost pride themselves on providing user-friendly tools, but they approach it differently. HostGator offers a very intuitive cPanel dashboard that's great for beginners. It's packed with one-click installs for WordPress and other software, which can make getting your site up and running a breeze. However, some users complain that cPanel feels a little cluttered, especially for those who are brand new to hosting. DreamHost, on the other hand, has its own custom control panel that's sleek, modern, and a lot more streamlined than cPanel. The learning curve is generally lower for new users, and the dashboard is less overwhelming. But DreamHost's setup isn't as feature-rich as HostGator cPanel, so if you're someone who likes more options and customization, you might feel like it's missing a few things. Next thing to consider: performance. When it comes to hosting, speed and reliability are essential, and both HostGator and DreamHost offer solid performance. HostGator provides unlimited bandwidth with most of their plans, but its performance can be hit or miss depending on which server you're placed on. Some users report slower loading speeds during peak hours, which is a bit of a red flag. DreamHost, by contrast, generally offers more consistent speed and uptime. DreamHost's VPS and cloud hosting plans, in particular, are known for being reliable, with solid uptime records. However, for shared hosting, both platforms perform similarly, so if you're just starting out, you probably won't notice a massive difference. Now, let's talk about support. HostGator has a solid reputation for 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and email. They have an extensive knowledge base and helpful tutorials, but some users report slower response times during peak hours, which can be frustrating when you need urgent help. DreamHost also offers 24/7 support, but with a focus on email and live chat. Their support is generally quicker than HostGator's, though their phone support is a bit more limited. Next thing: pricing. HostGator typically offers cheaper plans up front, which can make it an attractive option for anyone on a tight budget. However, once you renew, prices can spike, especially if you're not careful during the sign-up process. DreamHost offers more transparent pricing, with fewer surprises after renewal. However, its initial pricing can be a little higher than HostGator's, especially for shared hosting plans. The fourth thing we need to talk about is scalability. HostGator provides a range of hosting plans, from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated servers. This makes it easy to scale as your website grows. However, many users feel that their VPS plans could offer more features for the price. DreamHost also provides scalable options, but they focus a lot on managed WordPress hosting, making it a great option if WordPress is your platform of choice. For more complex needs, DreamHost's cloud hosting can be a bit more expensive than HostGator's offerings, but it's more powerful and flexible. At the end of the day, both HostGator and DreamHost have their pros and cons. They each provide great user-friendly tools, but they cater to slightly different audiences. HostGator is better for users who want more options and customization, while DreamHost's simplicity and ease of use make it a good choice for beginners. That said, after testing both of these platforms myself, I've found a better alternative that ticks all the boxes for ease of use, performance, and support. If you want to give it a try, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you'll want to take advantage of this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.